Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home, and we're here to help you decide which laminate floor cleaning machines to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. Laminate is one of the most popular flooring options among homeowners. They're affordable and beautiful, but using the wrong tools and methods to clean and maintain them can damage and ultimately lift them. Consider investing in the best laminate floor cleaning machine and choose the one that fits your house's needs the most. However, with tons of options in the market today, determining what's right for you can be difficult, but you don't have to worry. The team at In the Home is here to guide you. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The laminate floor cleaning machines that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, review in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The laminate floor cleaning machines coming in at number 5 on our list is the Tineco iFLOOR Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This machine allows you to clean without lugging around heavy cords for up to 20 minutes with its 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has a flexible spinning head that allows it to fit into tight places, and it works well on laminate, hardwood, linoleum, and marble surfaces. Additionally, it can do light vacuuming jobs and carpets. The machine works by washing and vacuuming your floor simultaneously. It's built with a 2-tank system that separates your cleaning solution from used dirty water, ensuring that you're spraying the right solution onto your floors. The product has a trigger that sprays water or solution on specific areas. Plus, its spot mode engages higher power speeds and stronger spray releases to remove tough stains. The iFLOOR comes with a docking tray where you can place the vacuum cleaner when not in use. It features self-cleaning functions that'll keep your laminate floor cleaning machine fresh and clean. The vacuum does not require thorough cleaning after every use, but our team highly suggests you clean all of the machine's parts after scrubbing a big mess to maintain it in its best state. At the time this video was made, the product is covered by a 2-year limited warranty. The Tineco iFLOOR is one of the most affordable cordless laminate cleaning machine choices today, making it a good option for those who are on a tight budget. We liked how it can easily tackle tough stains on laminate floorings, hence, we're placing this on the number 5 spot in our top 5 list. The laminate floor cleaning machines coming in at number 4 on our list is the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe Hard Floor Cleaner Machine. This product is designed for wooden surfaces like laminate and sealed hardwood, and other flat surfaces like ceramic tiles and marble. It only weighs 13.8 pounds, and it comes with a 20-feet power cord that lets you maneuver the machine easily. The machine has 2 cleaning modes, the wash and dry mode. Its wash mode will activate the machine's spray to release cleaning solution onto your floors while scrubbing. The dry mode, on the other hand, turns off the machine's brushes so that it can suction the excess water from your floor and dry it quickly. The patented spin scrub brushes ensure deep cleaning with gentle brush motions. Plus, it comes with soft and hard brush bar attachments that are intended for gentle hard floor scrubbing and grout and tile cleaning respectively. You can easily interchange these attachments, and if you want to focus on removing stubborn stains, you can use the Clean Boost control to release more solutions. The team highly suggests that you sweep or vacuum first and pre-treat stains before running the machine for the best cleaning results. This machine is also designed with a dual-tank technology that separates your cleaning solution from dirty, used water. Each tank can hold up to 1.5 quarts of liquid, which can clean an area of up to 400 square feet. However, avoid using any solvent-based cleaner with this machine as they may cause corrosion and clogging. During the time this video was made, the product is covered by a 2-year warranty. Overall, the In the Home team loved how the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe works efficiently, especially in high-traffic areas. With all these superb features, we're giving this laminate floor cleaning machine the number 4 spot in our top 5 list. The laminate floor cleaning machines coming in at number 3 on our list is the McCulloch Canister Steam Cleaner. This product heats water to produce steam that cleans and removes the most stubborn stains from your floors. It only takes 10 minutes to heat the water, after which it can produce continuous stream for up to 90 minutes. Plus, it comes with a stream output controller that lets you adjust the pressure for up to 58 pounds per square inch. It weighs 11 pounds, and it has an 18-feet power cord that allows for easy maneuverability across rooms. This machine is very versatile, and it comes with 20 accessories that you can use to clean almost anything, from wood flooring to furniture tools and more. Additionally, it can kill pests like mites and bedbugs. Our team would like to highlight that it comes with 2 reusable steam pad attachment types. One is for gentle cleaning, and the other is for scrubbing. You can also add and use cleaning solutions with this machine if you want to. However, using water alone yields the best results. When this video was made, the product is covered by a 1-year limited warranty, provided that it's free from any form of alterations or repairs. The in-the-home loved the versatility of the McCulloch Canister steam cleaner, and a lot of our team members considered it as one of the most likable products we've tested because of its efficient steam cleaning power. For that, we're giving this product the number 3 spot in our top 5 list. The Laminate floor cleaning machines coming in at number 2 on our list is the BISSELL Crosswave all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner. This cleaner also vacuums and washes your floor simultaneously. The BISSELL Crosswave works best on hard floor surfaces, especially laminate, tiles, sealed wood, and more. Its brushes can produce 3,000 rotations per minute that allow for fast, efficient cleaning. It weighs 11 pounds and is compact enough to fit small storage spaces at home. It also comes with a 25 feet long power cord and lets you move the machine with ease. And its swivel head is designed to reach and clean tight areas. The machine comes with 2 tanks that separate dirty water from your cleaning solution. The clean tank can hold around 28 ounces of liquid, and it can cover areas that are up to 700 square feet. Our team would like to make mention that the filthy tank has a capacity of 14.5 ounces of liquid and an automatic shutoff feature to prevent the suction dirty water from spilling. The product also comes with a filter assembly that traps airborne particles, and you can buy its refill separately at an affordable price. At the time this video was made, this product is covered with a 2-year limited warranty. In conclusion, the BISSELL Crosswave is best used for cleaning high-traffic areas. The team loved how this cleaning machine is straightforward to use, and it works very well on laminate floorings. Additionally, it operates quietly. For that, we're giving this product the number 2 spot in our top 5 list. And finally, we come to the number 1 laminate floor cleaning machines in our list, the eufy by Anker robot vacuum cleaner. The RoboVac is built with anti-scratch tempered glass, making it look nice and sleek. It features a 2.85-inch slim structure that allows it to reach tight spaces. It has a strong suction power of 1300 Pascal, operates quietly, and has a 0.6-liter dust capture capacity. The eufy RoboVac works well on hard floors like laminate, sealed hardwood, and tiles, as well as low to medium pile carpets. This machine is powered by a balanced navigation system that makes it cover almost any area in your home. Our team would like to highlight its drop sensing technology that can automatically detect edges and obstacles, allowing the machine to work without being monitored. The RoboVac's Power Boost mode automatically increases the machine's suction power once it encounters big messes like pens and food debris. The RoboVac's remote control allows you to switch between cleaning modes on different surfaces, and it lets you program the vacuum's cleaning time for convenience. If there are any specific areas that you want to restrict the RoboVac from, you can use and place boundary strips in these spaces to stop the machine from cleaning them. Once it's nearly out of power, the machine will then return automatically to its charging tray and recharge itself for its next cycle. A single full charge can power the RoboVac for 100 minutes, but when on Power Boost mode, the vacuum can approximately last for only about 50 minutes. During the time this video was made, the product is covered by a 12-month warranty. If you're aiming to use a robot vacuum cleaner on your laminate floorings, the eufy RoboVac is one of the most excellent choices you can find. It's affordable, and the team loved how it works remarkably well. For that, we're giving this product its well-deserved number 1 spot in our top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 laminate floor cleaning machines which got our team at In the Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next laminate floor cleaning machines roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.